Search has changed forever. There is absolutely no going back at this point. People now get answers at the top of the page. They ask a question and they see a short answer without ever having to click through to go visit a website anymore. They ask a chatbot and get a direct reply. This is the reality that's affecting everybody's traffic and leads that they're going to get, and I'm going to tell you what to do about it. I'm going to tell you what still works, what to stop doing, and the steps to take right now so that you show up in both search and in the AI answers. So here's the simple truth. Traditional SEO is not dead. Fast pages, clear wording, helpful content, and smart internal links still help. So what's changed is how results are shown. For many questions, people see a short box with an answer. For many chat bots like ChatGPT, the tool pulls pieces from many different sites. So your job now has two parts. First, make your pages easy for machines to quote, and second, give people a reason to click when they want more than a short line. So let's start with the page structure. Put the answer first. When somebody lands on a page, the first one or two sentences should give a clear answer in simple words. No warm-up, no story. If the page is about cost, say the cost. If the page is about steps, say those steps. After that, give the details for people who want to go deeper. It's kind of like the old newspaper article. Put everything up at the top, that gets people's attention. Next, use question headers. Turn each section into the exact question somebody would type. So for instance, how do I lower shipping costs? Then answer it in 2 to 4 short sentences. Keep the language at a level any adult or older child can understand. No jargon, no buzzwords. If you need to explain a term, give it a short definition once and then move on. Next, use lists and steps. So for how-to pages, use numbered steps. Keep each step short and clear. One action per step. If a step needs a note, put the note right under the step. Lists and steps are easy for people to scan and easy for machines to reuse. Next, use tables for facts. If you compare prices, sizes, specs, or dates, make a small table. Label columns with short names that make sense. Don't stuff keywords into the labels. Keep it clean, keep it simple. Tables get picked up and quoted more than long paragraphs. Next, stick to one topic per page. Don't try to solve 10 problems on one URL. One page for cost, one page for setup, one page for pros and cons, one page for definition, one page for comparisons. Focus makes it easier to match a question and to get chosen for an AI-based answer. Next, keep the reading level low. Aim for short sentences and common words. Break up long paragraphs. Use examples only when needed, and keep examples short. Clear writing helps everyone, and it helps machines understand the point. Now, let's talk about data behind the page. Add structured data, also called schema. Use FAQ schema when you have a list of questions and answers. Use how-to schema when you have steps. Use product schema on product pages with price, stock, and identifiers. Use local business schema if you serve a local area. And use organization and person schema for your company and authors. Fill the fields fully and correctly. This makes your page easier to identify and easier to cite. Next, show who wrote the page and who stands behind it. Put an author name, a photo, a title, and a short bio on the page. Link to a real profile. Put a clear about page and a clear contact page on your site with a street address, phone, and email. These items help build trust. Trust helps rankings and helps selection for those short answers. Next, fix speed and stability. Your page should load blazingly fast on a phone or a mobile device. The main content should appear quickly. Elements should not jump around as pages load. Compress images, lazy load images when they're, that are lower on the page. Use a cache and a content delivery network if you can. Speed still matters for users and for search. Next, keep sitemaps clean. Submit an XML sitemap for pages, one for images and one for video if you have a lot of video content. Only include pages you want indexed that return a normal status. Update timestamps when you actually make a change to that page. Next, use canonicals correctly. If you have similar pages or tracking variants, choose one main URL and point to the others with a canonical tag. It keeps signals consistent. Next, control what gets indexed. Don't let admin pages or junk pages get indexed. Use robots.txt to block and crawl, to block the crawl wherever it's needed. Use no index only when you truly don't want a page in the search. So keep server uptime strong. Now, let's cover content types that work well in this new world. Publish original data. People link to data. Machines cite data. This can be numbers from your sales, a small survey, a simple test, or a clean list that you build. Share one chart or one small table and explain what it shows in a short paragraph. Add a tiny source and method note so people know where the numbers came from and when they were collected. Build a glossary for your space. Make short definition pages for key terms. Each page should start with a 1-sentence definition, then 3 to 5 short facts, then 1 short example. These pages get picked for answer boxes often. Link them from within your main articles and from each other when it helps. Next, add short videos that show proof. Don't talk for a minute before you show anything. Show the result in the first few seconds. Put a short summary under the video. Add a transcript. Mark the video with video object schema. Add chapters with timestamps if the video is longer than 2 minutes. Place the video on the page that matches the topic, not on a random page. Next, use proof next to claims. If you say a process cuts time by a number, show a chart. If you say a product has a feature, show a photo or a short clip. Put the proof next to the line that makes the claim. Don't make people hunt for this information. Next, add a simple what to do next line at the end of each page. Link to a tool, a calculator, a checklist, a demo, or a booking form. It keeps it clear and fast. If the short answer box satisfied the first question, that small next step gives people a reason to click for more. Now, let's align with AI overviews and chat tools. Write quotable sentences. Make 1 or 2 lines that give a complete, true statement. Keep them early on the page. Don't bury them down deep. These are the lines that tend to get pulled into those short answers. Add real questions from your customers. Pull them from support email and sales calls. Put each question on the page with a short, direct answer underneath it. Mark these with FAQ schema and keep each answer tight. Don't add any fluff. It's not needed. It's not going to help anything. Next, offer small, clean data sets. If your topic uses lists of facts, publish a simple table and, if possible, a CSV download. Label fields clearly. Explain each field in one short line. Tools and models can work with clean files more easily than messy paragraphs. Next, cover different types of intent with focused pages. If people ask what, make an overview page. If people ask how, make a steps page. If people ask cost, make a cost page with real numbers or ranges. If people ask best, make a criteria page and explain how to choose. If people ask versus, make a comparison page that shows differences in a table first and then the details. Next, use consistent names for your products, features, and processes. Use those names in titles, headers, image alt text, and schema as well. Consistency helps machines connect your pages to the same entity. Next, make your about and contact pages complete and current. List leaders and team functions. List service areas if you are local. Mark them with schema. When a machine needs to decide who is behind a page, these kind of things help. Next, track where you appear in short answers. Search your key topics. When you see an AI overview or short answer that includes your brand, save a screenshot. Note the line it quoted. Improve that section on your page even more. And add a small data box or a clearer sentence if needed. If you're local, keep your Google Business profile accurate. Check the hours, services, photos, and updates. Ask for fresh reviews every week from your customers. Reply to every single review. Use real names and details in those replies. Make service pages by city only if you truly serve that area and can show local proof. Mark your address and phone with local business schema and embed a map. If you sell products, keep your product feed and pages absolutely precise. Use product titles that start with brand and model and one key attribute. Add GTIN or MPN price, in stock. Use product schema. Add short how-to choose guides for each product family. Use tables to compare variants in a clean way. Now, inside your site, build topic hubs. Create one hub page per big topic. Link from the hub to all of those subpages. Link back to the hub from each of those subpages. And use anchor text that says the thing, not the click here. Keep links relevant. Too many links in one spot lowers the clarity, so it's not going to help things. Next, make media easy to read. Use image alt text that says what the image shows, not a string of keywords. Name files with clear words, not random numbers. Keep image sizes small. Put video transcripts on the page. Next, keep a steady maintenance schedule. Every week, check your top pages for uptime and speed. Look in Search Console for new queries and pages that lost links and fix those broken links. Add new questions from support to your FAQ list. Every month, update facts, dates, and numbers on your key pages. Add one small data point or mini study, improve one table or one how-to, refresh schema if fields changed, and every quarter, audit internal links in each hub. Refresh titles and meta descriptions to match the best current wording. Reshoot or re-record weak proof sections. Merge thin pages that overlap. Now, here are some things that you should stop doing, okay? Number one, stop writing long intros before the answer. Stop stacking many topics on one URL. Stop stuffing keywords. Use the right term a few times in key spots and move on. Stop posting news that nobody searches for. Focus on lasting help. Stop copying competitor pages. Use your own data and your own steps. So here's a simple 10-step checklist that you can do on your top 5 pages this week. First, add a 2-sentence answer at the top. Turn each major section into a question header. Convert one paragraph into a clean numbered list of steps. Add one small table with the key facts. Place one proof item near the main claim. Add 3 to 5 real questions and answers and mark them with FAQ schema. Add product, how-to, local business, article, or video object schema as needed. Compress images and check mobile speed. Add one clear what to do next line. Link the page from your topic hub and link back to that hub from all those subpages. Now let's set a 90-day plan. Each week, publish one short definition page. Each week, publish one mini data point as a table or a chart with a 2-line explanation. Each week, improve one existing page by adding a better first answer, a list, a table, or a clear proof item. Each month, record one 60 to 90 second proof video and embed it right on the page with transcript and schema. This is a simple, repeatable schedule that fits busy teams and shows results. Measure the right things. Watch impressions and clicks, but also watch time on page, scroll depth, saves, and replies. Track assisted conversions so that you see pages that help before the final step. Take notes on when you appear in AI answers and what was quoted. Count how many pages have completed schema. Count how many pages open with a clear 2-sentence answer and include it in at least one list or a table. These are the health checks that you can follow. Remember, links still matter. Earn links by publishing useful data, clear guides, tools, and local resources. Ask partners, suppliers, and groups that you belong to for links to the right pages. Keep link text honest and specific. Don't buy spam links. They're going to hurt more than help. They always have. You can also leverage using AI tools to speed your work without lowering quality. Ask for outlines and question lists, not final articles. Ask for schema field suggestions, then fill them yourself and validate. Ask the tool to shorten your sentences and remove filler, not to add filler. Keep the final voice human. Keep proof real. Keep facts checked. All right, now let's talk about some quick answers to some common worries that are out there. Number one, are blogs useless now? No. Posts that answer real questions, show steps, or share data still work. Should you rewrite everything? No. Just fix your top pages first and keep improving the rest over time. Next, do you need to publish every day? No. Publish steady, useful updates. That's more than doing it every day. Quality beats volume. Do you need a new CMS or an entire web page redesign? Usually you don't. You need clear structure, speed, and clean data. Can a small site still win? Absolutely. Pick narrow topics you know well, be specific, show proof, and update it often. So let me put the whole plan in one flow. Make your pages clear, fast, and focused. Put the answer first, use questions as headers, use lists, steps, and tables. Add proof near the claims. Mark pages with the right schema. Show real authors and a real company behind it all. Publish small original data and short definition pages. Add short videos with the transcripts. Build topic hubs and link it cleanly back and forth. Keep your local or product data precise. Maintain a weekly, monthly, and quarterly routine. Stop wasting words, stop copying, keep improving the pages that make you money. This is how you keep ranking. This is how you can earn mentions in AI answers and overviews. This is how you turn short answers into real visits and real leads. Start with your top 5 pages this week. Do the 10-step checklist. Set the 90-day plan. Keep it simple, keep it honest, keep it current. That's the path that works right now.